you guys for coming out tonight. We are Mojito. To get us started, I need a word.
A good word. Don't give us stupid words.
Don't give us a stupid word, but we won't judge your word. So any word.
Incredulous.
That's a good word.
That's a great word.
It's a nice 4-syllable.
Like,
Incredulous.
I was trying to think of another 4-syllable. No. Can we get another one?
Moist.
Superfluous.
Woodpeckers.
Woodpecker. All right.
What if someone said something for you?
Moist. Superfluous.
Superfluous.
Okay.
It's
A
another
really
4-syllable
smart
word.
audience.
We need definitions.
Origin,
Go back
please.
to Woodpecker.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Now explain it.
It's a bird found in North America.
Which
Okay.
region?
North America.
Okay.
North American bird.
Nice.
Mojito.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Holy shit.
Damn you in those glasses.
My glasses make me see far.
Ugh.
I don't need binoculars.
You don't.
We're so jealous of you, Kyle.
I'm the most popular kid in school.
We know. We know, Kyle. We just want to be like you.
Yeah, that's why we came out here to do this bird watching, but we have to use this technology to help us.
Ugh.
I mean, granted,
I'm
you're
also
using
using technology.
God damn it, Kyle, you're so smart.
stupid
I
binoculars.
don't even care about that.
It's a woody woodpecker.
Woody.
Do you know what region they're most often? Where we are, North America.
Oh my God. We should have known that, Ted.
You know what? We're gonna study.
Right now.
Because we want to impress you. We
Yeah,
want to be your
God,
friends.
just give me like 24 hours.
I brought 2 books that you can each study. This is South American birds. This is North American birds.
Oh, good, I get to stay here.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. I'll wait. Oh. Yep, I'm just gonna sit here with my flower. Yeah, you guys keep going. This is fine. This is fine. You know, I can help you carry stuff so you don't have to go back every time. Oh, no. Okay.
No, we gotta go. Carol,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
hey,
I'm sorry to be superfluous.
Such a show off.
it's just a show off. We're just trying to get a 1 good grade in this school, okay? Home ec is where we get our good grade.
Don't ruin it for
We're
us.
not good at English.
But, I mean, I'm on this team too. Like,
You're
we're
showboating, Karen. You're showboating.
It's home ec. Let us have this.
Let us have one thing.
One thing, Karen.
I don't know if I want to let my grade depend on you two jerks.
Wow.
Oh, Karen's got some bite today.
Oh,
When has Bob ever been rude to you?
not one time.
Just now.
No, we were being honest. There's a difference.
Oh.
Right.
We were
Listen.
being honest. You were being.
Rude. Listen, who of the three of us is captain of the cheerleading squad?
Karen.
Which of us is captain of the academic bowl team?
Karen. Which
What-
of us? Oh no, you go.
Which of us
I'll let him do it.
led the change in school policy to where women can now play on the football team? Karen.
Look, clearly I have a lot to offer.
Oh. Here we
a
go.
lot to
Karen
offer.
just listing off all the things she can do.
Look,
I mean, we did that, but
as head cheerleader and as someone who is a pioneer in school policy and also that other thing you said.
and also the linebacker.
Yes. So you better watch out, because if you don't include me, I'll just knock you out.
Oh.
So,
have to let her call you by your last name, Jill Taylor, okay?
Oh, wait, I'm going to institute a school policy about that right now.
She has that power.
Yeah. Watch out, Taylor and Smith Brown.
Oh my God, you're there.
Scared me.
Yeah, I scared you.
Oh, you guys both scared me.
Oh, were you scared?
I was so
I got
scared.
scared.
Oh, yes. Oh, you're little moist. Why are you so moist?
Well, it's kind of because, like, I was just gonna do like trick or treating, and then you invited me into your home, and now.
Candy.
Yeah, I do love candy.
I'm going to get the thermometer to make sure he's okay.
I'm okay, I promise.
Okay.
No, I am.
Here, how does this feel? Does this feel nice?
It's okay. I'm okay, really.
Bend over.
You
No,
are.
no, I don't really.
You seem moist.
I'm just a little anxious. That's all.
Oh,
I'm
but
just.
this should really calm you down.
It does.
It's known to calm people down.
No.
It's dipped in CBD oil.
Oh. You just have it there. It's ready.
He's ready for everything.
That's great. But really, my mom's getting worried about me.
Oh, yeah!
Oh my gosh, Charlie! I was just outside waiting for
Are you
to
little
invite
Charlie's
me
mom?
in. Yes, I am.
You're not a vampire, are you?
I'm not a
Okay.
vampire. I am a big fan of thermometers.
Oh my
Coated with
God.
CBD oil. Let's get this
please.
party started, son. I'm Deborah.
Deborah, you're moist too.
Oh, no.
Oh, and my friend.
Hold it.
No, Mom, please, we really
I
should.
pre-moistened myself before I got here.
Attention passengers, the plane
They're talking to us.
is going down. Freak out! Oh my!
I don't feel like it's going.
No,
Yeah,
I
it
mean-
feels totally fine.
Seems pretty level flight. I didn't hear
Like,
an
what
engine
if-
go
what
out.
if-
Do you think that was the pilot, or was it just
A
like...
terrorist?
Oh, shit.
JK.
That was a DJ.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
DJ Wings, is that you?
It's me, DJ Wee.
Oh, I love this guy. He's so crazy.
There is a bomb on the plane.
Double?
You're the bomb!
I can't wait till he starts doing his fun sound effects.
Oh, yeah.
The signature DJ Wings.
Oh shit! This is the construction truck backing up. Oh, I love it. Classic.
Oh, no! What did it hit?
The plane! If it were landed, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Man, you guys have been fun.
Aw.
But really, this is my last flight. Oh no.
Oh.
DJ Wing.
Can you hear us?
And really open.
Like, it sounded like he was responding to us.
What did you say something?
Yeah. Give your
Did you?
farewell. DJ Wing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess this is the time since we only have a couple minutes left. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for being a part of my last flight. You've been beautiful.
Where are you
I look at
going?
all of you,
What?
Where are you
You
going?
retiring or?
but it's also your last flight. So enjoy it while you can. You have like a minute and a half left.
This must be the grand finale.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's like the
It's the
series
grand
finale.
He's gonna do
Yeah.
that sound effect he's
Like, bring
famous
us
for.
down
Like, it's gonna be like-
and ride it back up.
The plane is going down.
Psych.
Spoilers.
Oh shit.
Hey man, went to South America.
I'm glad you read the first chapter on
Yay.
racist accents.
I think I nailed it,
So
man.
next, you can learn about the birds.
Oh, where do I have to go? LA? Oh no,
Hey
that
there,
works.
I went pretty far north there, don't you know?
He's allowed to talk like that.
If I go far enough north and you go far enough south, we're gonna end up in a not very offensive area there. It's gonna average out there, don't you know?
I hope so, man.
Oh,
I got a new book for you.
Yeah?
Antarctica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mainly penguins.
No horribly stereotypic voices down there.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, you never know, man.
We'll find out later.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
We made a birdhouse together.
Yeah, you're taking
I
over.
thought you were on my side now.
No, I was sneaking behind you.
What were you doing? Were you going over to Karen's side of the line?
Listen.
Were you trying to step over the line and go to Karen's side
No.
of the line? Okay.
Listen.
Suck it, Karen.
You're not taking over woodshop 2.
Yeah.
Hey,
Industrial
According-
arts is what we call it.
according to school policy, you now have to refer to me by my last name, which is Queen.
No, it's not.
It is.
I know. Of course it is.
Yeah.
All right.
Queen. Karen.
Thanks, Taylor and Smith Brown.
Can we just put our differences aside and be friends and make, like, we could build some...
Find common ground then. Find it. I dare you.
What if we made an amazing bird mansion
Yes,
together?
exactly. This is what I've been saying all semester.
We made 3 useless tiny bird houses. Birds don't like that. They want bird mansions.
You help me with mine though.
The North American woodpecker loves living in a communal situation.
God, you know so much, Bob. Keep talking.
It's Smith Brown.
Smith Brown. Please. Queen.
Taylor.
You're taking your nickname away now? You're taking your nickname away now?
I want to live in a bird mansion with Karen Queen. That's all I want. Why can't you join us?
Come on. You know you're going to get an A. I'm awesome.
Fine. Sorry. I'm ready.
A lot of mixed message here, Taylor.
Does that feel better? Did
yeah.
it feel better?
I don't think I'm moist. I don't think.
I don't think we got a good enough reading, so I brought the big boy.
No.
Ooh, you're gonna love the big boy!
Not you, Mom, and I never will be.
No.
Sorry, no.
She doesn't have the temperature, right? She was fine. We just checked.
Hey, Dad.
I'm all good.
Guys, we've been here for 3 months now. It's like New Year's. Math works.
You're so good at holidays.
Yeah.
He got a 100 on his holiday test.
You just asked me when Christmas was. It wasn't hard.
Nailed it. So
You
proud
are
of
so
yourself.
moist and so smart.
Thank you. Yes.
Moistest,
Yes.
smartest little boy.
Yes, I am. Now, let's not pay attention to me and let's focus on my mother, Deborah.
Oh,
I
it's
got
so
moist again!
Oh God.
Oh,
Mother.
why did you do that?
Do what? I didn't make her moist.
Stop backing away
I
from
just,
Go to your mother.
I don't want to, Mom.
Nuzzle that mama.
I don't want to. I don't want to. No, please
Don't be afraid.
No.
Don't be afraid to take credit for what you do in this world.
You're perfect.
You're perfect.
Yes. Thank you, Mom.
I think you guys have overstayed your welcome now.
Yeah,
You can
get
leave.
out.
We're Mama free. We're free. Go, Mama, go.
No, I'm sorry.
No,
Let's
Mama,
go.
go, Mama, go. Go, Mama.
So did you see that little girl down the road?
Look. Yes, I'm very proud of us. Yes. Oh, this is great. I love everything that's happening. Oh, yes. Oh.
Hey!
When I got that e-bite, I did not think it was going to take this turn. Oh my gosh. Yeah. But did anybody read the
you?
This is book club.
Oh, no, we thought this was Barnyard Animal Fun Time. Gotta go down there, south, way far south down there in Antarctica there, don't you know, hey?
Hey, man. You know, man, it was so dope down there.
I think he was on that plane that went down. He definitely didn't make it to Antarctica.
No, we crash landed.
Dear Lord, that's you know, that kind of behavior up in Kitchener or Regina is not going to go.
What was that?
What's it going on, man?
That's the name of a Canadian town there, Kitchener. I don't know why you think that's so funny.
Oh. So, hey,
You gonna have a bird off? The original start of all this? Look at over there. What kind of bird is that?
why don't you rap about it, man?
Hey there, don't you know, it's a wee woodpecker over there.
Your turn.
Oh, no, man. I did not think of that through.
Would you like a beat?
Give me a single beat. It talks like me. Oh my God! No, it's Trinidad. It's Italian. Boom. 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 When I go to the club, I say, "What's up? There's a bird over there. There's a turtle over there. Bird, turtle, bird, turtle." Let me hear you say, "Ooh."
Holy
There
shit!
it is, mine.
Look, I'm just saying that maybe if our woodpecker mansion had had an east wing and a west wing and also a mother-in-law suite, we would have gotten an A.
Also, if we followed the fire code, it wouldn't have burnt down.
Don't have anything to add. I thought it was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
I'm actually not mad about it. I'm just making this face. No, I thought it was so pretty.
No, I thought it was great. We like really accomplished something here.
Yeah.
We really did.
Yeah.
Like we made plans. We cut all the pieces correctly. We
We worked
put it
together.
together. We worked we came up with a color scheme that was amazing. Like the colors of the living room and the foyer and the
Saying words I don't